very happy that we come Delhi for Independence Day. Our Modi ji Sarkar, Goan fishermen all over Goa and India, we say thank you very much. Nobody bring us before to Indian flag hosting. Also, I thanks for our Indian fishery minister. Once again, I already met him in Goa. Thank you to give us good service when we come from Goa airport to Delhi airport. Also, I thanks for our Goa fishery minister, and especially thanks for our team department of Goa. Thank you very much, sir. Please take care of all over India traditional fishermen. Build their houses, give them service to build fishermen house all over India. That you have to do, sir, because fishermen born on the beach. Okay, please do it. Thank you, sir.